Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Gautam Expriences. I am the student of KEC, Kantipur Engineering College of Civil Batch, first semester. Now come to the topics. There are three topics: application of differential equation and general qualification of parabola, and general qualification of ellipse. Now the first question is about topics of application of derivative. The question is a resistance of 100 ohms and inductance of 0.5 Henry are connected in a series with a battery of 20 volt. Find the current in a circuit of a function of a time. Let us suppose let I be the current following a circuit and at any time until then by the Kirchhoff first law of Kirchhoff first law, the sum of the voltage drop across the R is equal to Ri resistance I plus inductance di by dt is equal to E. From the first order linear differential equation, and its general solution is a current is equal to EMF by resistance into 1 minus exponential power minus resistance into T by inductance. Here in the questions they are given resistance, inductance, and EMF. When we put the value of resistance, inductance, and EMF, we found the value of I. Now we found the value of current follow in a circuit. Now our next chapter is general construction of parabola. The question is 225x squared minus 120xy plus 144y squared minus 2x minus 29y minus 1 is equal to 0, and find the axis and find the tangent of vortex and find the equation of length of the lattice rectum and find the coordinate of the vortex and focus of the parabola given below. This equation we have, and now we find this equation's axis, tangent, equation of the lattice rectum, and coordinates of the vortex and focus of the parabola. Now we write the equation which represent the parabola. Now we simplified, and now we get in the form of we write this equation in the form of a minus b whole square. Now we put the value, we put in a minus b whole square under lambda. We found the equation as we see in that position. We find the equation. We find the position of 5x minus 12y plus lambda whole square is equal to 10 lambda plus 2 into x minus 24 lambda minus 29y plus 1 plus lambda whole square is equal to 0. We write in it is equation 1 and choose the lambda such that equation 2 and equation 3. First of all, we write we see in equation 1 and we write the 5x minus 12y plus lambda is equal to 0, and we write the equation which is equation second, and 10 lambda plus 2 x minus 24 lambda minus 29y plus 1 plus lambda square is equal to 0, equation 3. Solve equation 2. Slope of equation 2 m1 is equal to minus a by b. You know that the coefficient of x is a and coefficient of y is b. So we write the coefficient of x is 5 and coefficient of b is minus 2b. Now we found the slope of equation 1. Now we go to the slope of equation 2, m2, and we know that the formula of slope minus a by b. The a is the coefficient of equation, a is the coefficient of x, and b the coefficient of y. So we found the value of slope of m2. Now we know that if two lines are perpendicular, then we have the formula m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. We have the formula m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m1 is equal to 5 by 2 base and m2 is equal to 10 lambda plus 2 by 24 lambda minus 29 and is equal to minus 1. We found the value of lambda is equal to 1, and putting the value of lambda in equation 1, we found the equation as shown in below. At that position, and we found the value of that position, and 5x minus 20 2 5x minus 2y plus lambda by 13 whole square is equal to 1 by 13, 12x plus 5y plus 2 by 13, 1 by 13, which is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax, which represent a conic section, which represent a standard form of parabola. Here we find the axis of the parabola. The axis of the parabola is formula of the axis of the parabola is Lx minus my plus n is equal to 0. And we have the formula, we know that the Lx minus my plus n is equal to that, or y, we write the axis of the parabola formula y is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 0. We have the Lx 5x minus 12 y plus 1 by 13 equal to 0. The equation gives 5x minus 12 y plus 1, which is the represent the axis of the parabola. Now we go to the tangent at the vertex, and then the tangent of the vertex is equal to mx plus 1 y plus q is equal to 0. We go to see that position. 12x plus 5 by 13 plus y is equal to 12, which is a tangent of the parabola mnx in that form. We write x is equal to 0 if the question says tangent at the vertex. You find the tangent of vertex. So you write the 12x plus 5y plus 2 by 13 equal to 0. So 12x plus 5y is equal to 0. If 13 multiplied by 0 is 0. So the tangent of the vertex, we find the tangent of the vertex. The equation of the lattice rectum. Equation of the lattice rectum is x is equal to 0. We have x is equal to 2x is equal to the 12x plus 5y plus 2 by 13. So we write that 12x plus 5y plus 2 by 13 is equal to 1 by 13 into 4, and 48x plus 28 plus 8, 20y plus 8 is equal to 0, and we know that the equation comes in that position 48. If we want take that left side, then 48x plus 20y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we go to, this is the equation of the lattice rectum. Now we go to the length of the lattice rectum is 1 by root under L square plus m square. When we see that position, this is the form of 1 by root under L square plus m square. What is the value of 1 by root under L square plus m square is 1 by 13. So we write the 1 by 13 is the length of the lattice rectum. Now we go to the next part. Coordinates of the vertex. Coordinate of the vertex is point of the intersection of the axis and tangent of the axis. Coordinates of vertex is equal to the intersection of the axis and tangent of vertex. So the axis is, equation of the axis is 5x plus 1, and equation of the tangent is 12x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. By solving these two equations, we give the vertex. So vertex is equal to the minus 29 by 169 and 2 by 169. Now the coordinate of the focus. The coordinate of the focus is equal to the intersection of the axis and lattice rectum. Intersection of the axis and lattice rectum. We have the equation of axis 5x minus 12y plus 1, and equation of the lattice rectum is 48x plus 20y plus 7 is equal to 0. By solving these two equations, we have the value of focus. We have the vertex. We have the point of the focus. That the point of the focus is minus 2 by 13 and 152. Now our next topic is the general conic section of ellipse. Now there the question is 14x square minus 4xy Our question is 4x squared minus 4xy plus 11y squared minus 44x minus 58y plus 71 is equal to 0, which is the equation 1. And we have to find that equation's center. Equations refer to the centers, and equation of the axis and length of the axis, eccentricity, length of the lattice rectum, and foci and directrix. Now we compare the equation 1 with ax squared plus 2xy plus by squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We found the value, compare that, then a is equal to 14 and 2h is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 11 and 2g is equal to minus 14 and 2f is equal to minus 58 and c is equal to 71. Now we find the value of a is equal to 14, is equal to minus 2, g is equal to minus 22, and f is equal to 11, and c is equal to 71, and f is equal to minus 20. Now we write the formula in matrix form. Then the area of the matrix, which is, we have found the minus 9,000, which is not equal to the 0. Now we go to the formula a minus h squared. Now we write the value of a. A is a 14 and p is equal to 11 and h squared h is a minus 2. Now we found this is a which is greater than 0, then it represents a ellipse. Now go to the next part and find the center. Now the given equation is 14x squared minus 4xy plus 11y squared minus 44x minus 58y plus 71 is equal to 0. And differential of first partially with respect to x. With respect to then we go to the differential of x and constant y. Then constant y, then we found the value. We found 14, that derivative of x squared is equal to 2x and derivative of x is equal to 1, and now 11y squared constant 0. So we know that the partial derivative of 2 with respect to x, y is constant. So this is 0 and minus 44 into 1, and which is also y. Y is a constant, so constant derivative is 0. The constant derivative is 0. We have 20. We found the equation 7x minus y is equal to 11. Now differential equation 1 partially with respect to y, then with respect to partial derivative with respect to y, then we know that x is constant. 14x squared, this is constant, and then 4x constant, y derivative is equal to 4x into 1 plus 11 to y, and constant 44x is constant, so 0, constant derivative 0, 58y equal 1, and 77 constant 0. We found the equation 2x minus 11y minus 21. If we equation 1 derivative with respect to y, we found the equation 2x minus 11y. So solving the equation 1 and equal to center is 2 and 3. To find the origin to the center, so x is equal to capital X plus 2. Now the capital X is equal to x minus 2, and y is equal to small y is equal to capital Y plus 3, and capital Y is equal to small y minus 3, which is the origin of the Now the equation now the equation is ax squared plus 2xy plus by squared is equal to delta h squared minus ab. Now the a is a 14x squared minus h is equal to 2h is equal to minus 4, and b is equal to 11y squared is equal to delta is equal to minus 9,000, and h is equal to minus 2 and a is equal to 14 and b is equal to 11. Now we go to the that process. Now we found the equation 70 by 13x squared minus 1 by 15x plus 11 by 16y squared is equal to 1, which is the equation with respect to the center. Now to find the length of the axis, compare equation 2 with respect to ax square. Compare equation 2 with respect to ax square plus 2xy plus by square equal to 1. Now a is equal to 70 by 30, 2 is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 15, and b is equal to 11 by 30, and h is equal to h. We have found the h is equal to minus 1 by 2 if 2 left side. Right. Now we have formula 1 by r power 4 minus 1 by r square a plus b into a plus b plus ab minus h square equal to 0. 1 by 4 square minus 1 by r square. A value is 70, and put the value of a and put the value of b and put the value of ab and put the value of h square. We found the 1 by r 1 by r power 4 minus 1 by 12 into 1 by r square plus 1 by 24 is equal to 0. Now use the calculator to solve that equation. Now we have found the 1 by r square is equal to 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, and r square is equal to 4 and 6. Then r1 is equal to root under 6 and r2 is equal to 2. Length of semi-major axis. Major axis means maximum value. Maximum value is root 6. So length of semi-minor axis means smaller value. Small value is 2. So now go to the equation of axis. Now the equation of major axis. Equation of axis having two. One is major axis and another is minor axis. The equation of major axis is a. The equation of major axis having formula a minus 1 by r1 whole square into x plus hy is equal to 0, and a is 7 by 13 minus, and r1 major axis having for constant root under 6. So put the value 6 root under 6, then we have 5 1 by 6, and now we simplify that and we found that 2x minus y is equal to 1, and the equation of minor axis is equal to 1 minus 1 by r2 square into x, and the value r2 is equal to minor axis. So the equation we found, and we will write the value of minus 1 by 30. 1 minus 1 by 60 into minus 1, which we found the value. We found the equation x plus 2y. Eccentricity and length of the little sector. R1 is equal to 80 and R2 is equal to 2. That R2 whole square is equal to R1 whole square is equal to 1 minus E square, and E square is equal to 2 by 3, and E square is equal to 1 by 2. E is equal to 1 by 2 3. Eccentricity is equal to 1 by 2 3. Length of little rectum is equal to 2 R2 whole square by R1. Then the formula, little section formula is 2 r2 whole square. Now we find the little section is equal to 2 root under 2, 4 root under 2 by 3. Now we go to the major axis. Major axis formula having major axis of equation having 2x minus y is equal to 1, and slope of the major axis is equal to minus a by, and a is 2 and b is equal to minus 1. So the slope of major axis is 2. Now tan theta is equal to 2 and tan theta is equal to 2 and sin theta is equal to, we know that tan theta is equal to 2, which is equal to the p by b. Using the Pythagoras formula is equal to p by b, then sin theta is equal to b. We found the value of h. We know the value of p by b, and so we find the value h, and so sin theta is equal to 2 by root 3 and cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3, and phi is equal to, the formula phi is equal to alpha plus minus e r1 cos theta comma b plus minus e r1 cos sin theta. So 2 plus minus 1 by root 3, E eccentricity is equal to 1 by 3, R1 length of lesser is equal to root under 6, major axis. So cot theta is equal to that, and sin theta is equal to beta is equal to 3, beta is equal to y axis center, and plus minus eccentricity R1 is equal to root 3, and sin theta is equal to by root 3, and 2 plus 5, the phi is equal to 2 plus minus root under 2 by 5, and 3. 3 plus minus 2 root under 2 by 5, and finally equation of third directrix is x, and we have a formula equation of directrix x minus alpha cos theta plus y minus beta sin theta is equal to plus minus r1 by e. So x minus 2 into cos theta having 1 by root under 5 and y minus 3, and the post and plus minus r1 is equal to root 6, and e is equal to 1 by root 3. Now we have x minus 2 plus y minus 2, y minus 3 into 2 plus minus 3 and 6. Then we are having the formula x plus 2y is equal to 8 plus minus 3 root under 10. Now we know all the formula, and thank you so much to see my video.